Hi, Precalc. I just wanted to make a really quick video clarifying a question that we had about making the triangles in the correct quadrant. So I just took a screenshot that you see here of one of the problems. So um, these intervals are telling you what quadrant you need to make your triangle in. So you got to think back to unit circle and your flat angles. We start at 0 or 0 pi. Pi over 2 is here, pi, and 3 pi over 2. So when they say that the angle x is in between 0 and pi over 2, think of it like this. They're saying, okay, it's somewhere between here and here. I don't know where, but it's somewhere in quadrant 1. Okay, so then the way you draw your triangles, you always have the theta, which in this case for us is x, near the origin, near 0, 0. And then you make the right triangle where your x and y coordinate intersect. And then from there, you just label like normal. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so again, you're labeling from this angle. Opposite hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. And then here's your adjacent. So then we would put 8 here and 17 here. Okay, so for this next one here, it says you're somewhere in between pi over 2 and pi, so somewhere in here. I don't know where the angle is, so we can just draw it arbitrarily. In quadrant 2, you should right away tack on a negative for your x value. You're going to the left, you're going towards negative infinity, so that needs to be a negative. For y, you're going up, so that can stay positive. Okay, so just to be super clear here, this would be quadrant 3, where both x and x and y are negative. So again, I would start and make this picture first before I even put on values. And then quadrant 4, the only value that you have to worry about that's negative is your y value. So hope that cleared it up a little bit. Keep asking questions. Have a good one.